CIC Library Online Lecture. Today, we're going to learn about the solar system.
The solar system. The solar system is made up of the Sun and all the smaller objects that move around it. This includes the 8 planets and their moons, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, and other small, icy objects. The solar system is only a small part of a huge system of stars and other objects called the Milky Way galaxy. The solar system orbits around the center of the galaxy about every 225 million years. The Sun. The Sun is a star found at the center of the solar system. It is the largest object in the solar system. Its diameter or distance through its center is 865,000 miles or 1,392,000 kilometers. The Sun is a very hot ball of hydrogen and helium gases. It has a temperature, at its core, of more than 28,080,000 Fahrenheit or 15,600,000 degrees Celsius. This process gives out huge amounts of radiation, or energy. Living things on Earth like animals, plants, and humans depend on this energy, in the form of light and heat. After the Sun, the largest objects in the solar system are the planets. In order from the closest to the Sun, these planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Most of them orbit the Sun in paths shaped like circles. Most of the planets have at least one moon. Another object in the solar system are the asteroids. Millions of chunks of metal and rock are called asteroids, also orbit the Sun. Most asteroids are found in a ring between Mars and Jupiter. The largest asteroids are hundreds of miles in diameter, but most are much smaller. Small asteroids regularly fall to Earth or burn up in the sky as glowing meteors. After the asteroids are the comets. Comets are cosmic snowballs of frozen gases, rock, and dust that orbit the Sun. When frozen, they are the size of a small town. When they are closest to the Sun's radiation causes them to glow. The dust and gases form a tail that stretches away from the Sun for millions of miles. Most comets are too small or too distant ever to be seen from Earth. Comets come from two parts of the outer solar system, the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud. How the solar system formed. The solar system was formed about 4.7 billion years ago. It probably started as a loose cloud of gas and dust. Scientists think that a force called gravity pulled parts of the cloud together into clumps. The largest clump was squeezed together so tightly that it got very hot. This clump eventually became the Sun. Over millions of years, the other clumps became the planets. The Sun's strong gravity eventually pulled the planets into their orbits. Over time, some of the leftover clumps became asteroids, comets, and other small, icy objects. Let's have an activity. Our activity for today is, can you remember? Name the objects in the solar system. Very good. These are planets. Excellent. These are asteroids. Correct. This is the Sun. Good job. These are comets.
And that's all for today. See you again next time. Bye-bye.